Hello. Well, do you really want to pump up the press? This video is for you. We saw very long videos on YouTube about this topic, but to be honest, there was not much that was useful. Therefore, we decided to make such a short video, where we will tell you all the main ways to pump up the press. Let's not drag out the introduction and start. There are several ways to pump up the press, including increasing the weight of the weight plates on the machine, using proper form and technique to engage the chest muscles more effectively, incorporating different variations of the press, such as incline or decline presses, adding additional exercises to your workout routine that target the chest, such as pull-ups or dips, gradually increasing the weight and reps over time to continue challenging the chest muscles, resting and recovery, making sure you are getting enough rest and recovery time between chest workouts, incorporating progressive overload, where you increase weight, reps, or sets over time, which will help muscle growth. If you are training at home, you can use resistance bands or bodyweight exercises to pump up your press. Another way to pump up the press is to focus on the mind-muscle connection. This means being mindful of the chest muscles during the exercise and consciously contracting them as you press. This can help to activate and engage the chest muscles more effectively, leading to better muscle growth. It's also important to have a well-rounded workout routine that includes exercises for the entire body, not just the chest. This will help to prevent imbalances and ensure that the chest muscles are getting the proper stimulation they need to grow. Finally, be consistent with your training and stick to a regular workout schedule. This will help ensure that the chest muscles are being challenged regularly and that you are making progress over time. It's important to note that muscle growth takes time, consistency, and patience. It's important to give your body enough time to recover and not to overtrain your chest muscles. Remember also to consult a trainer or a professional if you are unsure about the best way to pump up your press. Another tip to pump up your press is to include compound exercises in your workout routine. Compound exercises are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at the same time. For example, the bench press not only works the chest, but also the triceps, shoulders, and even the back muscles. Another important aspect to consider is your diet. Eating a diet high in protein and calories will help support muscle growth. It is important to make sure you are getting enough protein in your diet, as it is essential for muscle repair and growth. In addition, you can consider incorporating supplements like creatine and beta-alanine, which have been shown to help increase muscle strength and size. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist before taking any supplements. Lastly, make sure you are getting enough sleep, as this is when the body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. In summary, to pump up your press, increase weight, use proper form, incorporate compound exercises, focus on mind-muscle connection, have a balanced workout routine, be consistent, have a proper diet, consider supplements with professional advice, and get enough sleep. Another way to pump up your press is to vary your workout routine. This can help to prevent plateau and keep your muscles challenged. You can change the order of exercises, the number of sets and reps, or the weight you are lifting. This will help to keep your muscles guessing and promote muscle growth. You can also try different types of press exercises such as dumbbell press, barbell press, machine press, or resistance band press. Each one targets the chest muscles in a slightly different way and can help to keep your workout interesting and challenging. Another important aspect is to work on your posture, especially when doing press exercises. Maintaining good posture will help to engage the chest muscles more effectively and reduce the risk of injury. In addition, consider incorporating plyometric exercises such as clap push-ups or medicine ball chest pass into your routine. These exercises can help to improve explosive power and muscle activation, which can lead to increased muscle growth. Lastly, it's important to listen to your body and not to push yourself too hard. Overtraining can lead to injury and impede muscle growth. Make sure to give your body enough rest and recovery time between chest workouts. Another way to pump up your press is to focus on progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. This will help to challenge your muscles and promote muscle growth. As your chest muscles adapt to the current weight, you will need to increase the weight in order to continue seeing progress. You can also consider incorporating negative reps into your workout. Negative reps are when you focus on the negative or lowering phase of the exercise, which can help to increase muscle activation and growth. Another tip is to pay attention to the tempo of your reps. Slow reps can help to increase muscle activation and time under tension, which can lead to muscle growth. Additionally, you can try incorporating high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your workout routine. HIIT is a type of cardio that alternates between high-intensity and low-intensity exercises. It can help to increase muscle activation, endurance, and burn more calories, which can lead to muscle growth. Finally, it's important to set specific and realistic goals for yourself. Having a clear goal in mind will help to keep you motivated and on track. Remember to track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Wow! We were able to understand the basic principles so you can see your abs. Don't give up and you will definitely succeed. However, you should not exaggerate your exercises because this can be bad for your health. Well, I'll say goodbye to you and see you in the next video. Bye.